Hi everybody, Professor Paul here, and I'm going to show you the fastest, easiest, and most fun side hustle that you can ever do. It's called Laugh-N Bank. And all you do is you go to this very simple website, you check out a few jokes. If you think they're funny, hit funny. If you think they're not, hit not. Cha-ching, already making money. Let's check. Yep, already making money every single day. Perfect. Now, what do I need to do? I simply go in here and I grab a short and funny joke. Grab any joke that you find here and just go ahead and copy it. And then we're just going to come over here. We're going to paste it in here and we're just going to hit submit and we're done for the day. We're literally done in under 1 to 2 minutes. Super fast, super fun, and the more people that join up with this, the more profits there's going to be. So that's your side hustle for today. My name is Professor Paul. Take care, and I'll see you in the next training.